Hey, let me show you the best features of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And first of all, we are going to start, in my opinion, from the best feature that you can find in these earbuds. There will be the ambient sound mode. So when you turn it on and input both earbuds inside your ears, it just feels like you have nothing in your ears. I mean, you can hear just everything, every word, every sound. That's probably the best ambient sound mode that you can get in any audio device. Of course, I'm talking about earbuds. It feels just amazing, really. You have to try it. If you need this mode, if you are often using this in your current earbuds, you will definitely fall in love with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Of course, we can find here the active noise cancellation, but it's not that good as ambient sound. Of course, it's still removing the background sounds, but it's not that good like the ambient sound. This is the top feature, definitely. This one, it's good, but not the best. Next, we can find here the sound equalizer, so you can actually pick one of these 6 default presets. If you like the bass boost, you can do this by selecting the preset, but also you can create your own if you want. Next, we can find here all of these earbud controls. So we've got media controls. You can pinch to play, double pinch for next track, triple pinch for previous track, and swipe up and down to control volume level. We can find here also option to adjust the noise controls or wake the voice assistant. And right here we can also find some call controls. We can answer call and end call, and also we can decline calls. But for me, what is more interesting, it will be right here in the earbud settings. We can find here the voice controls. So now I'm gonna actually input them inside my ears, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Take a look. We've got play music, stop music, next song, previous song. Let's try if it works. Stop music. Start playing. Oh no, it will start music. No, how it was? I just forgot. Play music, okay. Play music. Stop music. Volume up. Volume up. Volume down. Volume down. Next song. Previous song. Okay, as you can see, it works. It's just every time detect my words. It's pretty fun. Maybe it will be not the best choice to actually use these voice commands when you are outside with a lot of people around you. But when you are in the home, you don't need to actually reach for your phone, because you can actually adjust with these voice commands. I think, in my opinion, this is actually the second best function of these earbuds after the ambient mode. And by the way, if you wonder about this function, we can only use it in the English and Korean. Currently, the other languages are not supported. I just want to mention this because for my opinion, it's actually important to actually get this. Next, we can find this function to read notifications aloud. So yes, you can actually get this notifications announced for your earphones, for your earbuds, and you can pick any application that you have on your phone. Right here we've got always the seamless earbud connection, so it's really useful when you often switch between the devices. And this works with any nearby device that is signed into the same Samsung account that you are using on your main device. So if I have login here my Samsung account, and then I have this account on this device, I will be able to quickly switch between them, even when I'm not paired these earbuds into this device, into this second device. Now we can find here the noise controls for the one earbud. So if you want to use mono mode, if you want to use only single earbud, you can use the noise controls with this one earbud. That's really useful, I believe, for some of you. And now we can also find earbuds with this sound recognition. But also, if you log in into the Samsung account, you will be able to use the location, so it will work like with Apple devices. And now I want to show you some 2 additional features that are not available for Android devices. They are only available if you have Samsung device. So take a look. We'll have to go and connect them. And now when I'm gonna enable the Galaxy wearable application, I can actually find here the spatial audio. And also we can enable the head tracking. And the second option that I want to show you, it will be definitely the game mode. So the game mode is also known as a low latency mode. It's just reduce, you know, all of this delay when we are watching something or playing some games. And I believe that this is all. Yeah, that will be definitely all for this earbuds. This is, in my opinion, the best features of this device. You can tell me in the comments what you think about these features, and please subscribe to my channel.